Welcome to All Hands Update. This is your week in Navy history. April 13, 1960, the Navy launched the navigational satellite Transit 1B from Cape Canaveral, Florida. During the mission, the Transit 1B demonstrated the first engine restart in space. April 14, 1898, USS Solace, the first post-Civil War hospital ship, was commissioned and would soon participate in the Spanish-American War. During the war, Solace would attend to wounded service members from the battles in Cuba. On April 15, 1912, the scout cruisers USS Chester and USS Salem sailed from Massachusetts to assist Titanic survivors and escort the RMS Carpathia carrying survivors to New York. On April 11, 1970, Apollo 13 was launched, commanded by Navy Captain James Lovell, Jr. After an explosion, the ship was forced to make an immediate return to Earth. To learn more about Navy history, visit the Naval History and Heritage Command's website.